All right. It's fast, it's effective, and it stinks. And this is an awesome soundtrack for singeing a duck. Oh, it smells like a burnt feather around here. The trick is to just whisk it over and don't spend any time. If you hold it in one place for even a second, the fat melts and you can watch the skin shrinking. See? Done duck.